is Navy Log. The dramas you see each week on Navy Log are from official U.S. Navy files. They tell of ships and planes and those who manned them, recorded through the years in Navy Log. Hardest punch. You get off the easy way. This is about how you do it. Here is the true story of a pilot who tries to get on the hard way. Time, 1200. Place, United States aircraft carrier Shangri, 100 miles off Lower California. Assignment, qualify for carrier landings.
Landings without a wave off, Angie. I still don't believe it. My gimmick never failed, sir. You're right on a beam, Angie. Pass it on to the next guy. If it worked for me, it'll work for him. Yes, sir. Whoever he is, he's getting the sweetest bucket of bolts in this ship to qualify in.
D'Angelo?
Yes, sir? Yes, sir.
She all set?
Raring to go, sir. Real hot to trot.
All gimmicked up, huh?
Yes, sir. It's aboard.
All right, D'Angelo. Let's get off on the right foot. I've got 20 tough landings ahead of me to qualify, but I've got 140 propeller landings behind me. And I shot every single one of them without gimmicks.
But, Lieutenant, look,
now, I'm going to have my hands full, without having to worry my head about some gimmick you've rigged up in the plane.
But it's nothing like that, sir. Wait, I'll
D'Angelo. They socked $500,000 into this crate. Do you honestly think any gimmick of yours is going to make a difference?
Well, sir, it always has.
Not for me, it won't.
Look, Lieutenant, just give me a chance to...
D'Angelo, I'm driving this hot rod, not you. And I'll do it without any gimmicks. So whatever it is, unship it, unrig it, strip it, unscrew it, take it out.
Lieutenant, I wish you wouldn't feel that way. I've got a perfect record on qualifying. Not one pilot turned the gimmick down once he understood exactly
I understand only one thing, D'Angelo. I fly or I flub on my own. No gimmicks. Try and see it my way, will you? 20 guys before me, sure. But there's only going to be me up there tomorrow. Just me. So, no gimmicks.
No gimmicks it is.
Before a flight, a plane is checked and rechecked. Handled with kid gloves on its way to the launching spot. She's ready when the pilot takes over. Time, 1300, qualifying day. Place, pilot's ready room. Assignment, briefing by landing signal officer.
I'll give you a minimum number of signals before a wave-off. 3 at most. But the wave-off is mandatory. Now, you must accept the wave-off, whether you think I'm right or wrong. Have you got that? Appleton.
Sir?
What do you do if I give you a fast?
Oh, fast? Well, sir,
Mister, I've got news for you. You just crashed. And that goes for all of you. Some of you have been flying Corsairs. You think you're pretty hot. But flying jets, you better get aboard fast or you won't get aboard at all. That's all.
I must have looked stupid down there a minute ago, not answering that simple question. Darn that gimmick business anyway. I wouldn't be thinking of that. Just my luck to get a superstitious ape as a plane captain.
All okay, sir.
What I said, D'Angelo?
Sir?
With the gimmick.
Well, yes, sir, but if you want to change your mind, I'll...
Flat top. You get off them the easy way, if a 100-mile-an-hour thrust can be called easy. It's all up to you now. You're number 4 in the pattern. So far, not much difference between the Corsair you're used to and the Cougar you're driving. So far, so good. But now, the hard part. Assignment? Standing by to land aircraft. One down. Two down. Three down, one to go. Your boy.
First wave off today.
What's his trouble?
Low and slow.
Well, that figures. He's been flying Corsairs.
The LSO's fixing that.
Zebra Dog, this is Paddles, over.
This is Zebra Dog.
Get some power in there. Jack up your altitude. Keep at least 125 knots coming in, over.
Roger.
Okay, shoot one again.
Wilco and out.
All hands not on duty, clear the catwalks and flight deck.